All right, so we are recording. Welcome, everybody. So I'm Mr. Krebs. For those of you who don't know me, I looked through the classes list. I think it's 19 people, and I recognize a few names. So I know there are some people that are full-time Link 12. I know there are some people that are in buildings part-time as well. So I teach at Lakeville South High School, and I recognize a couple names there. And so if I don't know you, welcome to marketing class. I know we're already a week in, and so you've already done some work, but it's good to finally be able to see some names and talk to you guys a little bit. So I'm gonna share my screen real fast. I'm gonna see if I can get what I want here. So I've got a chat window open. So if at any point somebody has a question, feel free to chat. So what I want to do today, I mean, again, it's a class of 19 and there's only a handful of you here. So again, if you know each other, that's great. I try to do a quick introduction for all you guys at the beginning of the class. So hopefully you get a chance to read through those. Again, my background is I'm a business teacher, an English teacher, and an art teacher at Lakeville South. And I was asked to teach this marketing class through Link 12. I actually did a Link 12 class last year also, so it's not my first time doing it. And I think it's great. I think it's a great thing that we're offering this for you guys. What I wanted to do today, so these class connects, if you're new, I think there's 9 of them throughout the semester, and they are only on the days when we have a full 5-day week. So if there's a day where we got a day off or there's testing going on or whatever, but the whole week, you'll notice the whole semester is laid out. So there's this green folder called Class Connect, and there'll be, the next one is October 4th. And so the days are all kind of laid out. There's 9 of them, like I mentioned, throughout the semester. And we'll do some sort of a mini lesson each day, and there'll be some sort of a graded assignment. So there is an assignment for today. You'll notice if you go to this for today, the assignment, it says, is to write about the project you're doing this week. Question 1 is, what is the product or service you invented for this advertisement? And then number 2, what is the tool you are using to make the advertisement? So I have provided some tutorials for an online site called Photopea, which is kind of like Photoshop, if you've heard of that before, but it's free and anyone can access it. So that's one option. You don't need to use that. You could use Google Docs and put images in. You could use Google Slides and create something there. You could use a sheet of paper and draw it, or cut out images and create the advertisement. I just wanted to give you one tool that you could use. So I got a couple questions from people about, can I do this or that? The answer is yes. So whatever works best for you, feel free on using that. Does anybody have any questions about that, about the assignment this week? Or put it in the chat room if you got one, or unmute yourself, or give me a thumbs up that you understand kind of what we're doing this week. See a few thumbs up. So the goal for this week is, this is a marketing class. We've learned kind of this introduction stuff about the 4 Ps. So, there's a product and a price and placement, and there's promotion, which is this advertisement. So the assignment is to create, you're going to invent something. And my advice is to think about, what are some things that are needs for you. Maybe there's things that had a student one year is like, I constantly lose my remote control. So then they created an advertisement on a remote control finder. Or my glasses always get fogged up, so they created something that creates glasses that don't fog up. So think about how I would do this. Is I would start by either thinking about, again, what are some things in your life that you'd like to improve, to make easier? What are some pet peeves you have that you want to get rid of? Or you could start off with, like, what are your passions or hobbies? If you're a soccer player, is there an invention that could make you do that passion or hobby better? So maybe there's something that can make you, there's shoes that can make you, cut harder, faster, run faster, or whatever. So think of it that way. And then you're going to create an advertisement. Again, you can do it through an online, creation tool, or you can do it by hand, that you're going to actually create an advertisement for that product. Okay. So while I've got you real fast, I want to show you photopea.com. And just real quickly, so this is it's like Photoshop. You can, create any type of, you can use these templates if you want to, or you can use a blank canvas that you want to, and you basically can create something. And then these are all tools over here in the toolbar. So I can take I can take a paintbrush and create things that way. I can use the text tool and create text as well. So I can create text on here. And then I can, I can open up images. You basically just open up an image and drag it in here and do whatever you want. Okay, so you can create something pretty easily using this tool. I guess my warning I would give you is that this is just a website. And so when you get done with it, like if you are on this website and then you close down the website and go somewhere else, it's not going to automatically save. Like you guys, it's not like a Google Docs where it's saving to the cloud automatically. So you need to create something. And then when you're done, you have to go file save as PSD, which is a Photoshop document, or you can export it out as a JPEG or a PNG when you're done and have a document there. So again, there's tutorials on Photopea today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Just again, a chance for you to understand how to use it. If you want to use it to create your advertisement, you certainly can, but you don't have to. Okay. And that is the assignment for this week. So let me stop there for a second. Does anybody have any questions about the assignment or about the class? You can either unmute yourself or you can put it in the chat room. Going once, going twice. Perfect. Okay, so then just to remind you, there is an assignment for today in this Class Connect, which is a portion of your grade. So you're just going to answer these questions in an assignment and submit it, and that will get graded. I graded the assignments from last week, so I'll kind of grade things on a weekly basis. So just make sure you're doing the daily work for what's going on. And if you notice kind of the class layout, there's going to be some weeks where we're kind of working on content, about marketing, and there'll be weeks like this where we're doing projects. So I try to make it, I try to make it, so it's not just reading through textbook information and doing activities, but I try to make it, so there's a lot of variety, some hands-on things, some projects, watching some movies, and doing kind of a bunch of things. So hopefully my job is to try to make this class dynamic and interesting for you, so that you can get through this material and learn about marketing. I think marketing is a pretty fun topic. It's a pretty fun, I think, job if anyone's interested in doing that. And so I'm trying to make it so that it's not just, learning the information in a dry and boring way. So hopefully you're feeling that you're getting some variety and doing some different things. And that's my job, like I said, to make this class enjoyable for you. So one more thumbs up. Everyone's good. No questions about anything. Feel good about the class. Feel good about the project this week. Thumbs up are good. All right, you guys, really nice to meet you. Have a great week. If you have any questions about your project, let me know. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to seeing them. They're due on Friday. So over the next couple of days, again, just kind of work through building them and get them done by Friday, and have a great week, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.